Ladakh is a treasure trove of stunning landscapes, ancient monasteries, serene lakes, and thrilling adventure opportunities. Here is a guide to some of the best tourist places in Ladakh. Leh, the capital of Ladakh, is a vibrant town and a base for exploring the region. It offers a mix of cultural, historical, and natural attractions. Leh Palace, a 17th century palace resembling Tibet's Potala Palace, offering panoramic views of the town. Shanti Stupa, a white domed structure perched on a hill, ideal for sunset and sunrise views. Leh Market, a bustling market for local handicrafts, pashmina shawls, and Tibetan jewelry. Pangong Tso Lake. This high-altitude lake is famous for its ever-changing colors and pristine beauty. Located at 4,350 meters, it extends into Tibet. The lake gained fame after featuring in the movie Teen Idiots. Camping along its shores is a surreal experience. Nubra Valley, known as the Valley of Flowers, Nubra Valley is a mix of lush greenery, barren mountains, and sand dunes. Hundar Sand Dunes, famous for the unique double-humped Bactrian camels. Deeskip Monastery, home to a massive statue of Maitreya Buddha. Turtuk Village, a picturesque village near the India-Pakistan border with a distinct Balti culture. So Moriri Lake, a lesser visited but equally stunning lake. So Moriri is surrounded by snow-clad mountains. The lake and its vicinity are a heaven for migratory birds, including the bar-headed goose and black-necked crane. Khardung La at 5,359 meters, Khardung La is one of the highest motorable passes in the world. It serves as the gateway to Nubra Valley and offers spectacular views of the surrounding mountains. Magnetic Hill, a natural wonder where vehicles appear to defy gravity and move uphill on their own. It is located on the Leh-Kargil highway and is a popular spot for tourists. Zaskar Valley, one of Ladakh's most remote regions, Zaskar Valley is a paradise for adventure enthusiasts and nature lovers. Chadar Trek, a winter trek over the frozen Zaskar River. Phuktal Monastery, a stunning monastery built into a cliffside. Zaskar River Rafting, known for thrilling whitewater rafting experiences. Hemis National Park, famous as the largest national park in India. Hemis is a heaven for wildlife enthusiasts. It is home to the elusive snow leopard, Himalayan blue sheep, and other rare species. The park also houses Hemis Monastery, known for the annual Hemis festival. Thikse Monastery. This 12-story monastery is often compared to the Potala Palace in Lhasa. It houses a giant Maitreya Buddha statue and offers breathtaking views of the Indus Valley. Alchi Monastery, one of the oldest monasteries in Ladakh, Alchi is known for its well-preserved ancient frescoes and unique Kashmiri influences in its architecture. Lamiru Monastery, situated in the Moonland region, Lamiru Monastery is one of the oldest in Ladakh. The surrounding terrain, with its lunar-like appearance, is a unique sight. Hanle is known for its observatory, one of the world's highest astronomical observatories. The area is also a great spot for stargazing and astrophotography due to its clear skies. Kargil historic town on the Leh-Srinagar highway, Kargil is famous for its role in the 1999 Kargil War. Kargil War Memorial, a tribute to the martyrs of the war, located in Dras. Suru Valley, known for its lush green landscapes and the towering Nankun peaks. Spituk Monastery, located near Leh. This monastery is famous for its unique collection of ancient masks, weapons, and Buddhist artwork. The annual Gusta festival here attracts many visitors. Sheh Palace and Monastery. Once the summer capital of Ladakh, Sheh is home to a beautiful palace and monastery. It houses a giant copper statue of Buddha Shakyamuni. Hemis Monastery, the largest and wealthiest monastery in Ladakh, Hemis is renowned for its annual Hemis festival featuring masked dances and cultural performances. Tsokar Lake, also known as the White Lake due to its saline deposits, Tsokar Lake is a remote and peaceful destination. It's ideal for bird watching and photography. Chumanthang Hot Springs, located along the Indus River, these natural hot springs are believed to have therapeutic properties. Rangadum, a remote and picturesque village in the Suru Valley, Rangadum is surrounded by glaciers and rugged peaks. It's a great spot for trekking and photography. Padam, the administrative center of Zanskar Valley, Padam is a base for exploring nearby attractions like Karsha Monastery and the ancient rock carvings of Zanskar. Basgo Monastery, known for its impressive ruins and murals, Basgo Monastery is a UNESCO heritage site and significant cultural landmark. Shyok River, the Shyok River flows through the Nubra Valley and offers stunning views of the surrounding landscapes. It's a serene spot for nature lovers. Markha Valley, a popular trekking destination, Markha Valley is known for its scenic beauty, traditional villages, and wildlife. The trek passes through Hemis National Park. Ladakh is a region of unparalleled beauty, cultural richness, and adventure. Whether you are a nature enthusiast, a spiritual seeker, or an adrenaline junkie, Ladakh has something special to offer.